Hello. Stage 1 is complete, in so much as the core of the system is done and tested. I've got the address bus, data bus, wired, and all the glue logic in place that does the address decoding for the two peripherals and the other level translation, everything right in place, and got a test program on the EPROM, and the microcontroller carries it out perfectly fine. So core functionality has been established. Now comes phase 2, stage 2, which will involve wiring the control to it, the display to it, and programming the program into an EPROM, plugging it in, and verifying the basic functionality of the program. And once I establish that, then I'll worry about putting the DDS unit in, because the DDS unit doesn't have any direct output, so I can verify the actual functionality of the program and stuff without it. So it's a couple hours work there. So take care, see you later whenever I get stage 2 done. Hello. As you can see, frequency readout on here, because it took the time to get the EPROM programmed, get the display hooked up and stuff, and it seems to be relatively functional. I haven't really screwed anything up on the firmware and stuff, so haven't got the little rotary encoder hooked up yet, but it seems to be everything in the program side is functioning properly, and I'm getting the right strobes to the where the DDS is supposed to be. Only thing I've got to do now is put the DDS module in place, and it should be at this point of functional at that point. The only thing is, you can see I kind of had a little brain fart on, is on the display here, MHZ for megahertz. Should have really had that hertz. That would have been technically correct if I had a decimal point here, but I don't. So next revision of the firmware, I need to change that over to hertz on the display to be technically correct. But beyond that, everything else seems to be working as I intended. So take care. See you then.